Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. Let us see what is coming up, guys, for your general energies and for your overall energies, Capricorn. The Hermit, Tower, Seven of Wands, King of Swords, Judgment. Capricorn, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, you are in a position today to command certain things. Maybe this may be relating to your work. You are acting with authority and power. So, on certain things, you are deciding. Maybe in your work or in this relationship, your person is asking for your suggestions on certain things and you are giving that. You feel really skilled and you have the intelligence and experience to deal with that situation. So that is the way they feel about you. So that is the reason they are taking your suggestions. This may be in your work or this may be in your family. And maybe for some of you all, you are facing certain conflicts, certain things, like it may be a healthy competition in your work or in your family with some siblings, some kind of negotiations or some kind of competition is there, happening there. Some trade, maybe you are participating in some kind of trading activities. So that may also be the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you are certainly going through some kind of change in position. This may be some kind of promotion that you're getting in your work, or the way people look up to you. So people look up to you in a different way now. They know your capabilities, they know your skills, so they see you in a different way, or your position is changing in their minds. So whatever they were having, the image about you, maybe this may be your person's energy towards you or your energy, guys, towards them. So they may see you in a different way now, looking at your capacity, your abilities, the way you handle things, the way you show your strength and valor, how you overcome this competition, or how you face your competition. So that is the way you feel. And maybe for some of your past hurts and your past negative emotions that you were having, it is coming to an end, guys. You are overcoming that past phase, whatever you had before. And for few of you all, you are just thinking within yourself, reflecting, and you're assimilating the knowledge that you have gained today, whatever you have learned with your situation, the lessons you have learned today. Maybe by handling few things, you are getting a clear understanding of how things are progressing, and you are assimilating those lessons. You are thinking deeply within yourself, and you are coming to a clear understanding of how things are, and you are keeping those lessons in your heart, thinking within yourself. So that is also the energy here, guys, Capricorn. Let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards. What is the energy with the other set of cards here, guys? Book, stock, garden. So just like I said, you are gaining knowledge, you are assimilating that knowledge that you have got, or maybe you are learning something new. For few of you all, you are participating in some kind of workshops or some life lesson classes, something of that sort, guys, and you are opening yourself to more learning. You are feeling inspired by few things, by your situation, and by what is happening around you. And few of you all, you may be teaching somebody something, like you may be helping people out, you may be mentoring them, someone from your family, or this person you're with, you are helping them out with something, you're teaching them something. So you are imparting knowledge today, guys. That may also be the energy here. And something definitely is coming towards you, guys, something new. So some new transformation is happening. Just like I said, the energy that people see you differently now because of your abilities and capabilities. So major changes are happening in the way people look up to you, look at you. Some major changes in your productivity, how you decide on certain things, and the way you work, or the way you are in your relationship with this person, how clear you are in your actions, and that may be the reason for the change in this image. So major transformations are happening, and people feel that you are reliable, they can trust you, and they can rely on you, guys, and you are getting what you desire today. So whatever you deserve for your hard work, whatever you need to manifest, those results are coming today. So that may also be the energy here, guys. Whatever you were planning till now, whatever plans you were having in your life, those plans are starting to materialize. So you will be seeing the path to reach those plans. So you are taking the first steps today to reach, maybe in this relationship with this person, or this may concern your work. So whatever you were planning to manifest, that is falling into place, the steps to reach that goal. So that may also be the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you are having a good time with your family, friends, you are taking part in some kind of communal activities, some recreationary activities, meetings or fundraisers, some art gallery openings, something like that. So you are with friends, some people from your family, maybe in some public place, you're meeting them, having a good time, talking about your accomplishments, and you are feeling really great. So that may also be the energy here, Capricorn. So today you are transforming how people look at you. So the way they look at you is going to change. So that is the general energy here, guys, and that is the reading for today, Capricorn. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.